Hello everyone, this is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. A while back, I brought you this project. This is my version of a Midori or Faux-dori style project. So I handmade these out of Kraft Tex and I link you down below to the tutorial. So the one thing that I disliked about the whole making your own Midori or Faux-dori style project are the notebooks. Like, I didn't like the plain notebooks and all this stuff. I didn't find the perfect notebook, and I think I did, so I wanted to share it with you all. So these are the Midori or travel notebook style pages or notebooks by Marion Smith and her husband Garret Smith, and they are perfect. I absolutely love them. They have several different styles. I have these three to share with you. They fit perfectly back into my Faux-dori projects, and I'll show you these once again. So they have the notepad, the one with just the lines. All right, so that's for notes, and it's just full of lines, which is perfect. And then they have the daily, which I have to say, it is my favorite. And this one is by her husband, Garret Smith. This one is what sold me on it. It's a daily log, and it has a sample page right here. Let me share this with you. It has for your focus goals. It has these little icons for your weather, time you wake up, even for water, your meals, weight, etc. So this is really, really cool. I haven't seen this before, at least not in this style, this simple style, which I like. I like simple. I like straight to the point, and it just works for me, and I wanted to share with you guys. It has a nice little spot for lists, a nice little spot for notes. So you just jot down your quick notes, no big, giant storybook areas, which is not me. So I love this. All right. And then I know they have a grid. I think there's a dot and a grid, if I'm not mistaken. This one doesn't have anything in the front, but this one is by, I guess, by Marion Smith. And it has a little sentiment here. And then this one is a daily also. All right, so it has a days of the week. You just jot down your notes. I love the dots here for doodling. I'm a big doodler. So just really well presented, and I love them. All right, so I bought these to put into my into my Faux-doris here, and I love them. So here is one, and this is the larger size. Let me measure this because I don't want, even though for my projects, my Faux-doris, I have the large and the small. This is the large. I'll tell you what the large notebook measures: 8¼ by 4 3/8 of an inch. All right, and I love that it has the gusseted spine. Very, very nice. So it's got that saddle stitch, but it's got a gusseted spine, which I like. I like very much. They're very well made. And they come in different finishes. In this gray, I believe also in a craft color. But again, I'll link you down below to their website, Marion Smith Design, so you can pick these up if you want to, or you can check them out and pick whichever one you like. So these are my Faux-doris, and I did these a while back, and they're really, really cute, guys. And you can pick your own paper, so you can make them look however you want to. But you have to make, although I show you how to make your own notebooks, but you have to make your own notebooks, and they're blank pages. These have, the months and all these other things already done for you. So you can create one of your own blank pages and then get a couple of these if that's what you like. All right, just wanted to show you the notebooks, how cool they are. I really like them a lot. So that's one style. So this is one style that I did with this pocket right here. All right, and my Midoris or Faux-doris are the only ones out there with the pockets in the front. All right, guys, and I made these out of the material called Kraft Tex. So this was the first design, and this is my second design, and it's got the pocket here, both in the front and the back, and this one also front and the back. So I made all of these here, and the charms are adorable. And here's this masculine version, and I made, again, all the notebooks. So I'm going to get a couple of these notebooks for in here in the craft finish, so I can put one of those in here. So you got a space for credit cards and your ID and things like that. It all depends how you use this. These are by Simple Stories if you want to add a few pictures in here. I also added that in there. So they're very versatile. And again, I made these notebooks, which I didn't like doing, I have to tell you. So I love that I have this option. And there's other notebooks out there. Yes, there's a ton of notebooks out there, but I love these. I really, really love these and the way they're structured. They're fantastic. So you can get the notebooks there. All right, at the website. I'll link you all down below. So I just had to share it with you all because I really, really like these. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and check out the links below. And until next time.